Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a diva to show you. So this is the gorgeous Decadent Diva by Raquel Welch, and this is RL 1422 SS Shaded Wheat, one of my favorite blondes by them. This wig was provided to me from Raquel Welch so that I could participate in their 12 Days of Summer giveaway that ran through the month of July. So if any of you won one of those wigs, congratulations. If you won Decadent Diva, big congrats. I was very honored that they asked me to participate. It was really, really fun. I got to do a live with Frank from Raquel Welch, and it was just a really, really fun giveaway to get to participate in. So I thank them for sending the wig. I also recommend that you purchase this wig from Shirley's Wig Shop, and I will put a link below in the description box for you to purchase this wig through Shirley. So gorgeous, gorgeous style, as you can see. Beautiful wave. I have to be far away from the camera because she's long, just for you to get to see the whole thing here, but really, really pretty. Up close of the wave here. So she has an extended lace front. This is the Luxe Light cap, Featherlight, Luxe Light cap, Featherlight, heat-friendly fibers. Yes, I always want to make sure I'm saying things right. Okay, so this one has an extended lace front and then a full mono top, so you can part it wherever you'd like. I do find that this cap fits a little bit smaller, and I'll show you the details on that in just a moment. Another thing I love about this cap is there are silicone tabs covering the ear tabs, but I'll show you when I take the cap off that you can remove that silicone if you have hair there and it bothers you. But if you don't have hair, it really gives grip. Like I really like it. They also put the silicone at the nape, which I'll show you in a minute, of course, too. And I just feel like the wig is very, very secure with that added silicone, considering the fact that, you know, my hair loss is the way it is. Now, like I said, if you have thinning on the top and you have hair there at your sideburns, you might want to remove the silicone. It might not work for you, but I really, really like it. So those of you who are bald or half bald like I am, I think you might find that you like it. So, okay, so, and I'll show you the ear tab coverage too. Very, very good. So, it's fitting average ear to ear. I'm petite, 11 ear to ear, and I feel like it's an average fit because it does come down to where it, kind of covers my ear a little bit, but not uncomfortable. But so I like to point that out just so you can kind of think about what your measurements are. So I think it's probably about a 12 ear to ear. And then forehead to nape, there's a little bit of extra room, but this cap definitely does fit smaller. So if you're petite, I think you're going to really like the fit on this cap. And I think it will fit average and then just above average, but I don't know that this cap is designed for larger circumferences. So it really depends on what your other measurements are. I'm 11 ear to ear, 13 forehead to nape with a 21-inch circumference. So let me pop it off and we can look at the cap. We can look at the cap after I give you the measurements, that is. Okay, so 9 inches here in the bang. I think if you wanted to cut more bang in, you could certainly do that. 17 inches from the crown. The nape is 11 inches. The sides are 14 inches. The back is 16 inches. And the weight, it says, is 4.8 ounces. So let me pop her off. Show you the part up close. Looks really, really nice. Raquel Welch does a great lace front, great mono top. Always very happy with all the features of their wigs. So, okay, so here's that full mono top. Really, really great coverage. And then the extended lace front, sorry, forgot to mention. So you can see that extends down onto the ear tab. So here's the silicone that I'm talking about. There's a metal stay in the ear tab as well. So this is a soft ear tab underneath that silicone, and you can see it's just whip stitched around there. So if you want to remove that, you can remove that silicone. And then the cap itself is hand tied on the top with closed wefting at the bottom of the cap. And that really helps the hair to lay down nicely. I didn't feel any permatease. Let me see if there's any of the nape. No, I don't see any of the nape. Didn't feel any permatease in the wig. Sometimes there'll be some permatease where this wefting is, but I didn't feel any in this one. This one, the volume is just coming from the wave pattern, and I would consider it to be a medium density. So here's the silicone that's on the extended nape, and you can see, again, that's just stitched on, and you can remove it if you'd like to. And then there's Velcro adjusters, and of course, these are the Featherlight heat-friendly fibers. Okay, let's take a look at this gorgeous color. So this is the Shaded Wheat RL 1422 SS. Beautiful rooted blonde. It's a warm color, lots of dimension. Just love it. So their description is a warm medium blonde with medium brown roots. Yeah, medium brown. I was like, did I miss the warm? But it just says medium brown on the root, but it is warm. The blonde is considered warm. So when you think wheat, you know, you're going to think more golden, not brassy at all or anything like that, but it definitely has some light gold and then a little bit lighter blonde going through it as well. Okay, this is the window light. Okay, under my patio cover. So outdoor shaded light, and then I'll walk into the sun. Okay, so you can tuck her behind the ears. Then your glasses go on over those ear tabs. The ear tabs are nice and thin. Glasses can go up on your head very easily, no problem. Your sunglasses, your readers. Looks cute with a headband. So that was a 9-inch, yeah, 9-inch bang will stay back in a headband. Or you can pull some out if you'd like to, around the face. Looks very pretty. I think that 9-inch layer is going to want to come out too when you pull it up half up, half down. Let me see here. Yeah, just not quite long enough. But that looks really pretty to have hair around the face anyway. So she will easily go in a half updo. She'll go in a ponytail. And then, of course, there's all sorts of updos that you could do with her. She is just absolutely beautiful. She would make great holiday hair, wedding hair, special occasion hair. Just really, really pretty. I think she's just a gorgeous, gorgeous style. So thank you to Raquel Welch for providing this. And like I said, I will put a link where you can shop this wig through Shirley's Wig Shop down the description box below. I thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye-bye.